my bird. Oh, it's a dog. Hello, dog. Ah! My bird! You killed my bird! Oh no, police! I'm being attacked by the dog. I'll save you, miss. Those, that anesthetic will do some good, I think. So do you know who the dog belongs to or anything? Do you? I think that lady over there looks suspicious. Go and talk to her. Do you know who this dog belongs to? Me. Well, do you have anything to say to this lady? Because your dog's just killed that bird. Do you have anything? You help me! Oh, we need an ambulance. Oh, it hurts! Oh no, this has been a good day. Houston, we have a problem! We're falling! Ow! Oh! Oh! Sorry. Thank you for watching!